Hey, beautiful people. Let's get that 90s supermodel glow in no time. Today, we're diving into the iconic 90s supermodel makeup look. Think sleek, sultry, and effortlessly glamorous. Perfect for all you throwback trend lovers out there. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start with a matte foundation for that flawless base. The 90s were all about a smooth, velvety complexion. Then add some soft contouring to define those cheekbones and jawline. Remember, keep it subtle. Soft angles, not harsh lines. Step 2. Onto the brows. In the 90s, thin and defined brows were all the rage. Grab a brow pencil and create those sleek, thin brows. You can even use a brow gel or a pencil to achieve that authentic look. Step 3. For the eyes, keep it simple with neutral matte eyeshadow shades. Apply a soft brown in the crease and a light beige or ivory shade on the lid. Blend well to keep it subtle and smoky, nothing too dramatic. Step 4. Lips time. Use a brown lip liner to outline and define your lips, then fill them in with a nude lipstick. To get that fuller, signature 90s pout, slightly overline your lips at the Cupid's bow. Step 5. Finally, for the eyes, keep it minimal yet sultry. Skip the heavy liner and lashes. Just a bit of mascara to define those lashes will do the trick. And there you have it, the 90s supermodel makeup look that's timeless, elegant, and perfect for channeling those nostalgic vibes. Let me know your favorite 90s makeup trend in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic glam. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Council Craft.